I'm already my selector. Go on. Fully. Yeah. Them don't know we do it. Well, alright. When me mother tell me, yeah. Watch out, alright. And not fi fret for me. Mother not fi fret for me. I don't know do it. Watch out. Mommy you not fi fret for me. From me born me get the chief, wreck the beat. Never take defeat. Feature pen no piece of sweet and it deeper than 20 feet. A girl say me fi come, she want to get the recipe. Them like a centipede or centipede. Best believe, rep the street. Make fi do it and knock got section with these and make me enemy seat. Them a duplicate me style, me just go on like say me no see it. Because without a me, honestly me no know them woulda be. Me ever stand out, strong dance, saldos, terrorists, maltos, no take handouts, badness, canvas, esco, Pablo, my youth a shoot. Style them tough, I shoot them soft, bad juice, bad from classroom, them a actor, Tom Cruise. Palm Bruce, in top, hot box, fast move, bad gang, AG can lose. Bust out the like balloon, can't write a song. You want a tune, we sicker than ever before. Stay 3 but I no cancer for sure. Wait, probably cancer now me lungs, me got the girls them looking marvelous. Bad mind, no one see the artist boss. More while, me just feel me want to just stay by myself. Alright then, I knock you God. Yeah man, you know.
Give it up for Quan. Hey, I tell you, hey, the artists have come out that week and me rate me like what Quan. How you mean? Original. Quan.
Yo, Vaz. Quan, bad artist.
You know.
Lyrically inclined, you know. Yeah, man, I like how you chop up the rhythm. You see me I deal with. You see me? I don't really have a problem in terms of your song and your projection. You see me? But I think you could have got harder in terms of delivery and image, because we judge based off an image as well. So you see for me it's a 8, you see me?
Thank you for that, Ara General. Yes. Okay, Tall Boss, what you have to say about his performance, Quan?
Quan, yeah, image is a lot there. Image is everything. You know what I mean? But he might deliver, you know, lyrically. You know what I mean? So it's a summer.
A summer beat.
Yeah man. Yeah man, lyrically, but me you know chorus for that song there. I just straight verse. Okay, well for me give him a 7, you know.
Alright, Tall
Yeah,
Boss,
man.
thank you for that. Alright, so everybody put up a number now. Because so I go on. Yes. All contestants have to get numbers.
That was
Alright,
a good
remember.
performance.
Score.
I give you a
Tall Boss give you a 7. Lady Tash give you a 7. Kisha Las Vegas give you a 7. Nero Malisha give you a 7. Ara General, what you coming with? A 8. Alright, so Ara General give you a 8. Thank you for that. Pick up yourself, Quan. What you mean? Bad artist, excited.